All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be back again. My name is Doro Gabzi, LNC. Welcome to the LNC Music Podcast. And of course, today we're back again with yet another reaction video. Yeah, today it's another brand new one. We are doing banger. We are doing hits after hit. We are doing street bangers. We're doing club bangers and every banger thing. Right now in today's song, I'm very glad this girl has done something, ladies and gentlemen. She did it. Being honest, let's be honest. This girl dropped a song, ladies and gentlemen. We're talking about Phify. Phify music, not Phify Happy. Yeah, this is Phify music. There's Phify Happy in a ruin. But today we're talking about the Madi Sauce. She dropped a jam. This song is our actual making now. Let me say this is now the third day as we are recording this video. But of course the song is doing good. It's doing amazing. One fact thing about this song and about this girl is that I listened to her previous song that she dropped before dropping this song. But I want to be honest. This song is way back, better than the other song. This is better than the previous one. But I feel she did what I feel she's supposed to do. As I said all along, let's deep down inside and get to understand. Yeah, let's get to understand our girl. What does she got for us in this song? The song is called Olemaku. So as I was saying, Olemaku means as someone doesn't love you. Like, yeah, literally, you've been in love, maybe something happened somewhere, we don't know. Olemaku meaning somebody doesn't love you. This is literally what the girl is talking about. So let's first get to understand what Olemaku is all about. It's a beautiful one there. Let's get in and see what this girl got for us right here in this song. First hold on. I'm sweating before cooking this. I'm sweating before cooking this for you. I don't know why I'm sweating before cooking this for you, but of course, yeah, I'm here to cook it. Let's cook it. Yes, I didn't do see nyenzo nze.
Olemaku, ole eva atimaku, agodi hujamani, masidi onyobu kendinaye.
Yes, Olemaku, ole eva atimaku. Beautiful line. It's not a bar, but it's a good rhyme. This is not a bar, but it's a good rhyme. Olemaku, ole eva atimaku. Beautiful rhyme there. Phify, you are talented. Anolema, ndrondro, bakolo anitrote bobo. Ow, shit. This girl knows what music is. This is what is called music. That's why Phify is always trending, and this is why Phify is always the baddest in the music, by the way.
It is over. I don't need to see it is over.
Yeah, meaning she did something somewhere and she's begging money dikiza Olemaku oleku, meaning she's begging oleku. Yeah. Wow. I thought it is only the man who doesn't love Phify alone, but definitely next year, Olemaku masala aniko. Yeah, meaning if someone doesn't love you, there is a reason for you also not to love the person. Definitely.
I'm doing better. I don't wanna know. I don't need the tables are turning. I'm on top where you at.
Yeah, tables are turning. I'm on top. But ladies have always been on top. When in guys love seeing ladies on top. Actually, yeah. I also love to see my woman on top of me.
Just do it for me. I don't know, but do it for me. Come, just do it for me.
Kama, do it for me. Just do it, Kama. You guys know whom Kama is. Kama is a real bitch, right? Yeah, Kama is a bad bee.
Lady,
Yeah, kill cool, meaning the love I gave it for you, but you don't want. Guys, man. Who is refusing this guy's love, man?
but I'm changing direction. Lady, I'm changing direction.
Now I'm changing direction. Now I'm changing direction. Wow. Okay. All right, let's go. Man, this is getting more hotter. This is getting more hotter. Let me first turn on the AC. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my God. Beautiful rhymes there. Phify, that's why you're talented. Uncle Phify. Oh my God. Indeed, man, this sauce, and we've already got the sauce really well. I cooked it, right? Did I cook it? Did I cook the Mari sauce? Oh, the sauce cooked me. Anyway, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a beautiful song done by that is Phify Music. The song is called Olemaku. Please go down and let's get to roll the number. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and of course there's the number down there at the L banner. We're doing adverts for you, so each and every time you want us to come back right here, we do business for you. That is what we can do for you each and every time. And of course the breakdown drops on your way every Mondays to Friday from the hour of, that is 5 p.m. That's when you're getting us right here on this channel. Thank you very much. My name is Doro Gab Z LNC. Let's get to meet again in the next video. I'm out. Bye bye.